have a look how we're doing. We're sort of getting there, aren't we? Just going to I'll just do the final bit for you, okay? So again. See how that's about right. So all we do, don't worry about that, we don't want big bits anyway. We're just going to put them in the bowl. And could you just pick out any big bits?
I got a good way. Let's put all the big ones in the bowl.
Just the very big bits you just pick them out.
I'll put them in this bowl.
Okay. I need the very big bits though, not the little bits. So like, that's a big bit, isn't it?
Is this a big bit?
That's a big bit, yeah. There's all very big bits, sort of. Okay, that'll do it.
Is this a big bit?
What do you think? Next thing we need to do, we need to put that to one side and wait for 3 weeks. Until Mum.
This isn't actually vegan.
Just leave it, Drake, it's okay. Now we've got some herbs that we want to put up. Can you get the chopping board out for me?
Found it straight away.
What I want you to do, there's a little mix of herbs, okay?
I broke it.
I'll get the chopping knife.
Is it okay with Mum? If I use the chopping knife? He says yes. Oh, look, it's lovely herbs.
So just chop those up, just one little bit, and just do a little mix of herbs. Now what I want you to do, get a chopping knife.
Whoa, this looks like leaves.
These like leaves. And a nice sharp knife.
Mum's okay with it.
And just chop them up as much as possible, okay?
I just did one
Just
bit.
chop them up into as little bits as possible, okay? Just keep going until...
They smell well.
Just keep going, just roughly chop them up. Just this one. No.
You heard my star.
It's alright, she can chop.
Oh, you're dead. You're gonna die. Everyone's gonna die here.
She's 10 now.
You're gonna die here. You're gonna live in your face. Come on.
Wait, look. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm gonna bunch them up. On the big fire. What you pass it? No.
Okay, keep your fingers away from the knife.
Like this far.
away, like that, but away from the knife. Hold the thing you're cutting, but like that, so you don't, so your fingers aren't like that, and you chop them off.
Like this.
More. That's it. You should do that.
I don't know how I can.
Can I just like break them
Practice,
up?
you just break them up as much as you can. You want to tear them up a bit as well.
I don't want to use the knife.
Tear it up as much as possible.
Is this safer?
Yeah.
I can use my instinct to death. Yay. So I do. I will never die. But you have a bit.
Try not to eat down the floor. Now we can have burgers with cheese in the middle or just not.
Yep. Only in Alex is burger. You could have to. This is like a tree. I'm gonna
And
die.
then just keep chopping it, pulling it all apart into as many little points as possible.
Like that.
Yeah. Can you smell it?
Yeah. So
Does it smell fresh?
smell it, camera. Smell it, viewers. Do you know what it smells like? This one. No. We have.
So shall I do the rest of it?
No.
Alright.
Break. Go away more. This one is nice. We have. This one. I'm not sure. Smells weird. Because it's a herb. It's useful medicine.
So you've got 3 herbs there. You've got parsley.
Parsley. Everyone.
Parsley.
Parsley.
We have quite a lot of times with fish.
What?
You've got coriander.
Okay. Coriander.
And you've
Parsley.
got dill. And dill smells a little bit like onion, but it's probably coriander you can smell in the parsley.
Because onion makes you cry. And I don't need to cry. Because I think it's all mixed in that we don't smell it. Oh, that sounded so brutal. Like I'm one of murder.
I'll just chop them up now, okay? Into smaller bits.
Tiny. Only the big tiny. Guys, the hands are off the table. The chopping table. Ah!
Don't overdo it, Kate. That's why you're supposed to cut it. Otherwise, all the flavour goes onto your hands and not onto the floor. So that's how I do it.
I got happy hands.
So, yeah.
I'm getting no more hobby. Wet Herbie hands. I got wet Herbie hands. Babe, so, my hands smell like oil, not herb. Be oil.
How much do we want in now?
My hands smell like a chocolate orange. Well, but my hand smells like the chocolate always. Smell, there. Smell, oh. I got herbs on my hand. Heavy hand.
Probably only about a quarter of this. Go like that. Oh. Can you go get me an egg, Kate?
I'm just drying my hand.
Okay.
I'll get on.
Right, that's an egg. I'm not sure if that'd be enough for a salt, or maybe I need some more mince.
One little egg.
Could you go and get me the other mince, please? Bring the egg over.
I am good.
So, do you know how to break an egg?
I'm good.
I'll hold that.
I feel good now.
Do you? Do you want to get yourself dressed then, Alex, and then you can help?
I'm good.
So just do it. What a surprise. So, I wouldn't do it on the side. Do it on the side there.
I would do it here.
You might knock the mince flying. Just do it on the side. Just a good bang. And then pull it apart with both hands, Kate. So pull rather than... That's it. That's all I wanted you to do.
Wow.
Go and put that in the bin.
La, 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 la. Can I record? Can I record that? But no one will see me on the camera. Like,
Could you go and get the other mince? I'll probably do half the mince again.
I feel bad. Which half is the mint?
No, get the mince. There's another packet in there.
Oh, that's a mint.
Mince. Is that in there? See how it... So what we're going to do, we just take half out and put the rest in the freezer, okay? I'll do that. Because there's all these hungry bodies around me.
When you get your freezer going.
Can you go put that in the freezer for me?
Wait.
Freezer. You want onions in it.
Why just freeze it now?
Because otherwise it'll go off very quickly. So I'll do it for you. Now we're going to get a mixing spoon.
No?
Yeah, this is. I'm doing it. I want you to just try and mix it all
Okay.
together with the spoon for me, okay? We need some salt and pepper in. So I'll put some salt in. Just like that. And should we get some pepper?
Yeah.
When you put salt and pepper in, do you know what it's called?
Seasoning?
That's right.
Yes. I got pepper on my hand now. I'll let you mix. First.
Might need a little bit more salt. There's a lot of meat in there.
Put some salt in this one.
There you go.
And
No, Now you start mixing for me and I'll see how it looks, the mixture looks. So you've got to get into it. Shall I start it off? Get the stuff. Mix it all like that. Okay, get the stuff from the bottom to the top.
What's at the bottom, Dad?
Well, that's all the biscuits and the herbs.
Yeah. I'm just going to break the meat up a bit more. And then why do we need the biscuits?
A cake, please.
Luckily we had washed hands.
You could do it with your hands if you want.
Okay. I'm going to set the spoon on the chopping board.
Okay.
Oh, God.
You shouldn't have really done that, never mind. Why shouldn't you do it?
Fine.
You're mixing raw meat with fresh vegetables. So just mix it all with your hand now.
Oh, that was good.
Let's mix it, keep just mixing it as much as you want.
Cold and warm. It smells weird. Anyway, after this one, we have raisins then.
Yeah. Once you've washed your hands.
We're not having meat eat
So you've got to mix it hard.
like that.
Yeah, and so it's all mixed up, including all the egg. You might need another egg because I put twice as much meat in.
Okay.
Shall I put another egg in?
Yeah.
Which egg did you use, Kate?
The
That
one.
one there. How long have they been there for? You should have used the fresh ones.
I don't make tea now.
Oh, that was a good one. Get that one out. Just start mixing it. Okay.
Oh God. I can get
I know.
that.
That's stuck at the bottom.
What's stuck at the bottom?
That egg. Mix it all up. My throat when I tried to pick it up. What is it?
Like this?
Yeah, get it all mixed in. Are you getting all the stuff from the bottom up?
I'll still do biscuit. It has not been.
What's that?
Oh,
Keep going, so it's all heavily mixed.
I'm using both my hands.
Use both your hands then. Just put them in the bin. Not the bin, put them in there. Go on, keep going. Go away.
Oh, it's okay.
that in the... How are we doing, Kate?
Good.
Is it all mixing together?
Yeah.
So what you've got to see is that there's nothing... The stuff at the bottom looks the same as the stuff at the top, to make sure it's mixed.
It's gonna...
So you bring the stuff from the bottom to the top and mix it all up.
Does that look like the top?
Yeah, no, but just keep going. Don't worry about it. We'll break up in here. Just don't fine mix it, just do it as roughly as possible, just keep mixing and turning, okay? Rather than mucking about with little bits.
Like this?
Yeah, just push it up. So go into the middle and just get it all well mixed together, okay? So you're not sure without throwing it out.
There's the whiskey at the bottom.
Exactly, so you need to bring that up. But the way to do it, shall I show you how to do it? Rather than trying to pick it up, just go like this. Just bring it all the way up to the top, like this. It's all the way up, okay? Look.
I'm holding it. Okay.
So you can see it coming up.
Can I look at the bottom? Let's look at the bottom.
You don't need to look at the bottom. You just keep mixing it from the bottom to the top. I'm going to take it out of the middle and just...
I'm gonna kind of...
Do you want me to have a go now, or are you alright? Now when you're dealing with raw meat, what's the important thing to do? Do you know?
Wash your hands afterwards.
Most definitely.
I'm not good to be in the camera. I'm good to watch the camera.
Oh, this one was
So, shall I have a go?
You won't watch the camera. You had to take the plaster off. You had to take the plaster off.
If you look now, Kate, that's the last bits for you. Come here.
She's washing her hands.
Yeah, I didn't think she'd finished. She doesn't do it now. You've still got things to do, Kate. You don't need to wash your hands now.
It's too late.
You're going to have to wash them again. So I pulled it all together for you. Now look at it now. Come over and have a look.
I can see from
So
here.
you can make burgers. This is burger mix now. So have a look at it now. Look. Does it look like burger mix now? It's special burger mix because it's got herbs and biscuits in.
Herbs and spices.
Herbs and spices.
And seasoned.
And seasoning. We could put some more seasoning in.
Okay.
You need
And
to
a bit more salted. And
exercise.
then pepper.
What we can do, it's in there, there's probably too late now anyway. So from this, what we can do is make little burgers. So go and get me a big plate.
But
Now, Alex, you can have burgers with cheese in the middle or cheese on top. What would you prefer?
cheese in the middle.
You want cheese in the middle?
I got
Go get me one of those packets of cheese.
That's how you make the beef.
So the cheese is in the middle of the beef.
So it's that how you make the middle of the burger?
So I'll show you how the final bit.
Which sort of
That's fine. Just take the one in your.
this one?
This one, yeah.
That's what the
What's this?
looks like when it's homemade.
One
So what we do.
cheesy.
So put it down. I can't touch that because I've got meat all over my hands. Now you've washed your hand. Just take some cheese out and make some little cheese balls. Make 3 cheese balls for me, okay?
And now this gun. And now
So make it just make it. Try and make it into a squashed little ball
Okay.
with your hands, okay? See if you can just squeeze it together for me.
It's together.
It's all right. Just squeeze it all together into like a little ball. Use the heat of your hand. See if you can just squeeze
Look.
it.
I'll put my hand up.
because the little light.
Let's see.
You
Pour some out because I
put
can't
it
put my hands in there. Just pour it out. I'll show you what to do, okay? See if you can do it this way.
You are.
So you need to do is maybe Dad's hands are hot, so maybe you can make the cheese. So just squeeze it together like a little ball. You know what I mean? So pour more out.
Please.
Just make 3 little balls, okay? What we'll do is we'll make cheese in the middle. So pour a little bit more out.
With like grab big hand.
Not so crazily, Kate.
Make
No, now you've destroyed one of the little balls I made. So it's just like a little ball like that, okay? So just make it into your hand. Get it into your hand and roll it into little balls. That'll go in the middle of 3 burgers, okay?
no. I don't.
Yeah, that's why I said only 3. So there's 1 little ball. So just make a little ball, not of all of it. So start on that and just wrap it around that until you've got 3 little balls. No, you don't do it like that. Don't break it up. Use pressure, like this. Just squeeze it hard together, okay? Sorry?
You're good.
Well, I'm just using pressure. I'll do it, Kate. You're spreading it out more than breaking it up. So put a bit more in your hand and squeeze it in.
Done?
Too much cheese out there. Doesn't matter. So we'll get another plate. Go and get another plate for me.
This 7 cheese. It's 6 people in the family. Only me and Robert doesn't like cheese. But this me doesn't like cheese. He never gets.
Can you get another plate out for me, Kate?
Okay.
That's all you need, like those little cheese balls to go in the middle.
Another big plate.
Another big. And we'll get rid of that. Now we're going to make the burger.
Pâtés.
The patty, don't touch that.
Maybe
Put the 4 little balls on the other plate. Just take them out one at a time and put them on that other plate for me.
one. 2 and 3.
So what we're going to do,
I think we need.
shall I show you what we're going to do? I'll do 1, I'll show you what to do, okay? Get a big handful. That's a burger. What we just do, we're going to put a little cheese ball in the middle. Just close it up so you can't see it anymore.
I just like means it so he could see it.
Oh, but these are surprise ones. So there's your first burger, okay?
Okay, I know what to do
So
now.
take another handful. Roll it in your hand to make it a little ball first.
Oh, my too.
No, don't pull it apart. You've got to roll it together. Put it on the ground. Flatten it a bit. Now put the cheese ball in and wrap the meat round it. Without pressing on the cheese or it'll break apart. So, just let that go. So, get a bit. Okay, like that. You see the sides? Don't squash it too hard. Just.
Never.
Oh, but bigger, probably a bit bigger than that.
This big?
So look, probably a bit more than that.
In a bowl, like a nut, a big bowl.
And a little bit more, I think. Just a little bit more. Now, do you think you can get a cheese ball in?
Let me flatten it.
Just flatten it out a bit. Put a little cheese in the middle. So, no, you're breaking up the cheese by doing it. So just bring it together over the top, see? A little bit more mince. We've got plenty of mince.
Quickly.
Where are you going, Kate?
Just gonna ask somebody to get me something.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Well, why now Kate has the SCP?
Plug it in for you.
Kate, what did you do wrong? You were supposed to wash your hands, Kate. You're walking around with raw meat on your hands. That's what I told you. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put them in the fridge for a little bit, okay? They're ready. So those two